And you're watching NDTV Profit.
Those are the top stories at night, but we've got a lot more lined up for you over the next 60 minutes. Sasha?
Good evening, Manvi, and it's going to be an exciting 60 minutes. Lots packed up for you. And
more than 10% of India's population is unemployed. Well, the government actually runs 900 employment exchanges to address these people and this issue. But how effective are these exchanges today? We ask the fundamental question, is it time for the government to overhaul these exchanges? Archana Shukla looks at the options that the government is exploring.
Nearly 4 crore people stand in such queues every year to register with one of the 900 employment exchanges across the country, hoping for a job. Only 2.5 lakh are fortunate enough. But now the government is trying to change that picture. It is now trying to bridge the skill development gap by seeking private sector help.
Rural employment exchanges will go through a rejuvenation, and there will be initiatives put in place to address that segment because it has a number of people that are enrolled in it. Predominantly, we will look at models of public-private partnerships, which are very, very well entrenched in the country.
Government's first attempt of roping a private firm, Karnataka Employment Exchange, has been fairly successful. Team Lease, a staffing solutions firm, now handles skill development and placement opportunities for all registered with Karnataka Exchange through their employment centers.
In some cases, the government is giving the infrastructure and we're doing everything on the revenue side. In some cases, we are doing the infrastructure and they're paying us per employee that we hire. In some cases, they're paying us per employee that we train and we hire. So I think all states recognize that something has to be done. All are at various stages of sort of doing this.
Experts feel India, with nearly 40 million unemployed population, needs many more such exchanges. But a bigger concern would be bridging the skill gap. It's the private sector which is adding the maximum amount of job opportunities in the market currently. And roping in private participants would help these government employment exchanges get this larger share of private employers on board. But again, a clear policy on how this public-private partnership model would work and a strong execution on ground would be critical to determine the success of this model in a country where nearly 3 crore people look for jobs every year. In Mumbai, Archana Shukla, NDTV Profit.
okay, that's an important issue, Manvi, but
A serious one, and about time that the government really looked at the effectiveness of these employment exchanges.
absolutely. We'll head into a break when we come.